mai schifo cucinare, yeah, totalmente schifo.
Fettuccine Alfredo is a simple 3-ingredient pasta that's made using only 3 ingredients. It's often known as fettuccine al burro in Italy, which translates to butter fetish. It's made with just pasta, hard milk, and soft milk, also known as grease milk. This dish was invented by Alfred Di Lelio in 1908, back before cream was invented and all people had was butter and cheese. Speaking of butter, before you do anything else, get your butter out of the fridge and let it come up to room temperature. You're gonna need more than that. Yeah, a bit more. A bit more than that. There we go. For every pound of pasta, you need a ½ pound of butter and a ½ pound of parmesan. In metric, that's 1 kilogram of pasta for every 500 grams of butter and 5 billion nanograms of parmesan. In medical, that's 1 heart attack of butter and 3 colonoscopies of parm. In other words, Mr. Alfredo was not around when he made this dish. Allegedly for his wife who had stopped eating after giving birth. We're gonna get this parm ready by grating it on the smallest setting so that it melts easily. This is a 1 setting grater. And this is gonna turn from Parmesan rock into a fluffy Parmesan cloud. At last, look at this beautiful mountain. Actually, we're only halfway there. Grating Parmesan is the official national exercise of Italy, which is why Italians have really thick wrists. Okay, we finally have our, damn it! Come on wrist, you can do it! Pretend you're 22 and single. Arrgh. Finally, we've arrived at the Parmesan promised land. Keep these and throw them in a soup stock. Also, learn how to make soup stock. Self. If you don't have fettuccine, you can glue a few pieces of spaghetti side by side, or you can take a lasagna noodle and smash it against the wall. So I have this fresh pasta that I totally made earlier, but I don't really want to show off. So you can just go ahead and use the dry stuff and make it fresh by spraying on some countryside breeze and essence of ocean mist. We're gonna salt this water until nothing can survive in it, not even noodles. Then bring it up to a maniacal boil and add in the nudes. Then get it to a more mentally balanced boil and I'll cook these for a few minutes. Check the directions on whatever nudes you're bathing. Now we're gonna chop up our room temperature butter and spread it out in this bowl like a keto snack platter. If your butter isn't really soft enough, feel free to give it a light zap in the laser beam box. Now we'll slide our nudes right out of the pot and on top of the butter so we have maximum heat and some of that liquid coming along for the artery clogging ride. Now take 3/4 of a cup of cream and tell it the truth. I don't need you. You weren't good enough for Mr. Alfredo, so you're not good enough for me. Now take your mountain cloud of Parmesan and throw half of it in there with careless disregard for its feelings, and it's time to wang jangle. Look at how that just disappears. Let's add the other half. As you can see, the melted grease milk is combining with the shredded rock milk, and what we end up with is creamy Alfredo sauce, which I'm sure Mr. Alfredo is looking down and smiling about right now if the afterlife exists and he still cares, which he definitely does. From the top, make it drop. That's some fettuccine. And then while you're eating it, you can just cross off 1 day of your life with each delicious bite. Now it tastes great like this, but you can add some pepper if you prefer, or some hot sauce, but just be aware, Mr. Alfredo is watching, and he'll come to you in your sleep. He'll sneak into your room in his ghostly body and come really close, and then he'll whisper in your ear,